Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for customary buyers. Chilliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to associate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the valuable chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chilliz digital money cost? Find out in Chilliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Our continuous CHZ to USD cost update shows the ongoing Chilliz cost as 10 cents USD. According to our Chilliz cost expectation, CHZ cost is supposed to have a 1.52% diminishing and drop as low as by May 13, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 9% market feeling on Chilliz, while the trepidation and eagerness record is showing a score of 52. Over the most recent 30 days, Chilliz has had 12 30th green days and 4.68% cost instability. Chilliz specialized outline. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chilliz is $11 cents and CHZ is buy and buy position no. 57 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Chilliz is $746,610,560.74, with a market cap of $6,975,647,158 CHZ. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHZ has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 16.7%. Chilliz has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHZ has expanded by 19.66%, adding a monster normal measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Chilliz Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chilliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chilliz will be 9 cents. The most extreme level that the CHZ cost can reach is 11 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 14 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 8.8% CHZ value conjecture for May 2023 in light of the value variances of Chilliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 10 cents in May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 9 cents and at 11 cents individually. Likely return for money invested. 3.5% June 2023. Chilliz value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the CHZ cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 9 cents, while the greatest could reach 12 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chilliz may be around 10 cents. Possible return for money invested. 14.2% CHZ value gauge for July 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Chilliz in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal CHZ rate they anticipate may be around 12 cents in July 2023. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 12 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 17.6% August 2023. Chilliz value gauge around mid-year 2023. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at 13 cents overall. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chilliz worth to 13 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 12 cents in August 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 21.1% CHZ value figure for September 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Chilliz costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, 13 cents. The least and pinnacle CHZ rates may be 13 cents and 13 cents. Possible return for money invested. 24.5% October 2023. Chilliz value figure. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will be around 13 cents. In October 2023, the Chilliz cost might drop to at least 13 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 14 cents in October 2023. Possible return for money invested. 28% CHZ value gauge for November 2023. Having dissected Chilliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 14 cents in November 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 14 cents. For November 2023, the anticipated normal of Chilliz is almost 14 cents. Expected return for money invested. 31.3% December 2023. Chilliz value conjecture around mid-2023. The Chilliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 14 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the CHZ cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 14 cents. Possible return for money invested. 34.8% Chilliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chilliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chilliz will be around 21 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 23 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 21 cents in 2024. Chilliz value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chilliz in 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 30 cents and 36 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 31 cents. Chilliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Chilliz and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 43 cents, while its greatest can reach 52 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 45 cents. Chilliz value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Chilliz by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 76 cents and 64 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 66 cents. Chilliz value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Chilliz. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around 94 cents. It could drop to at least 92 cents, yet it actually could reach $1.11 all through 2028. Chilliz value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Chilliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $1.61 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.41 during the year. Chilliz value expectation 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Chilliz's cost. The year 2030 not set in stone by the most extreme CHZ cost of $2.37. In any case, its rate could drop to around $1.96. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.03. Chilliz value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Chilliz cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their CHZ cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $2.85, with the conceivable greatest tops at $3.51. By and large, you can anticipate that the CHZ cost should be around $2.95 in 2031. Chilliz value expectation 2032. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Chilliz's cost. The year 2032 still up in the air by the greatest CHZ cost of $4.95. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $4.05. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $4.17.